He who finds more joy in an urban dwelling will have no need for a rural farm. Sailing quickly forth, we passed a country burning with fires and fragrance, from which streams of flames fell into the sea. Presenting the captured fleet, the Carthaginians ensured that the people could not only hear, but see the greatness of their success.
Ship sheds. Carthage relied on ships for its economic and military power, and the maintenance of these vessels was paramount to success. Voyages around the Mediterranean and beyond inflicted significant wear and tear on wooden ships, including damage from storms, waterlogged timber that slowed speed and could lead to rot, and voracious marine life with a taste for wood. Yet pulling such large and heavy ships onto land for dry storage and repair was difficult and time-consuming, and exposed them to the persistent peril of weather. To resolve these challenges, Carthage constructed ship sheds for its fleet. These were covered slipways built along the water's edge, allowing ships to be quickly and easily moved onto a dry dock sheltered from the elements. Here, repairs could be made before a swift redeployment, reducing the time a ship was out of commission and increasing the frequency of its maintenance, keeping Carthage's navy and merchant fleet in top form. Sicilian Wars. The Carthaginians followed the Phoenicians in establishing themselves as the masters of Mediterranean trade routes. But they were rarely unchallenged. Their first major rival were the Greek city-states, another strong naval presence who contested Carthage's dominance in the region. Their major point of contention was the island of Sicily, which effectively divides the Mediterranean in two halves and was the linchpin to mastery of the sea in ancient times. The Carthaginians and the Greeks fought a series of wars between 480 to 306 BCE over control of the island, during which territories moved back and forth between the two powers. The Sicilian Wars faded as Rome eclipsed Greece, and the Greek holdings on Sicily became Roman. But the rise of a new competitor for Carthage also sparked a new series of conflicts, the Punic Wars, which began, once again, over Sicily. Wisdom of Tanit. Although the full nature of Carthaginian religion, its gods and practices, lies concealed behind missing and untrustworthy sources, the goddess Tanit has survived through her pervasive presence in the city and its colonies. A goddess of wisdom, fertility, and motherhood, she was one of Carthage's chief deities, together with her consort, Baal-Hamon. Tanit was a late addition to the Punic pantheon. While Baal-Hamon has roots in Phoenicia and beyond, Tanit emerged around the 5th century BCE, possibly via local Berber beliefs, and soon outstripped her consort in Carthage in importance and reverence. Worship of Tanit seems to have included human sacrifice in the Tophet, a sacred sanctuary, though the degree to which such rituals were practiced by the Carthaginians is under debate. Her symbol, the same used in this game to represent Carthage, is commonly found in stone carvings and mosaics. Later depictions show her with wings and the head of a lion.